Yeah, thank you very much, Justice Sikri, for joining us. I just wanted your thoughts first, on this entire controversy, sir. Do you believe that the Supreme Court must stand firm and resist any government interference in judicial appointments, or that the law minister makes a point that it needs to be more transparent and the only way to do that would be to have a government representative in the Collegium?
I think let me start it from another perspective before coming to the answer to the question which you have put. Today, as the position stands, as you rightly mentioned, NJAC Act which was passed has been declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. So collegium system stands, and that is the law of the land. Of course, what government wants to do and whether they want to bring another legislation or wants to make another constitutional amendments, etc. I need not go into that. I even need not go into the question whether the collegium system is the best system and there is no other alternative, etc. Having said so, one thing is very clear, which is being discussed at various levels. Those who are even justifying the collegium system, many of them have raised voices insofar as the functioning of the collegium system is concerned. Many are dubbing it as opaque or shows lack of transparency, etc. But the question is, as you have rightly said, in this entire context, whether this letter of the law minister and suggesting that there should be a person of the government on as a part of collegium, whether it is going to serve any purpose or not. But before even going into this issue, I have another fundamental issue, which is this. You see, collegium system has been introduced not by the Supreme Court, not on administrative side. Not that it is an administrative decision that this should be the collegium. It is in the form of judgments of the Supreme Court. As we know, these are called Judges Case 1, 2 and 3, by which it was introduced. And how the collegium, what it should comprise of, how it would function, what is the procedure, etc., all that is laid down. Now, once that system is determined by a judicial verdict, it would be, in the first instance, I would say that it would be difficult for Chief Justice to tinker with that judicial system on administrative side, unless it is done by modifying the earlier judgment and sitting again on judicial side. So therefore, as of now, as I said, in terms of the judgments of the Supreme Court, when it comes to the appointment of High Court judges, the first three judges of the High Court, they have to, Chief Justice and other two have to recommend. And then after
what I'm asking is, do you believe there should be a government representative on the collegium? Yes or no? Do you believe that
what I'm saying, that first I'm saying is that, the issue may not arise because unless there is a amendment to that order or modification of the order on judicial side, it is